Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, as you can see, we've got a big box in front of us. It's not the end of the month, it's the beginning of the next month, but this is the monthly Knife Club box for December 2024. Now, man, this thing had labels all over it, and I had to get them off. But, so, we do, what I get is the Ultimate Name Brand monthly subscription. One runs $165 plus tax and shipping, comes out to about $175. And of course, as you'll see on the card, it gives us an end value, and the value has been in these boxes forever. Now, I've got it pre-cut, so I think, I've been doing this for, I don't know, a few months now, and finally got one pre-cut. So, there is our card. Our monthly Knife Club card. It's got the happy holidays going on right there. You got the gingerbread man and everything. Very cool. So this tells us what we are going to get. Now we always start off with, where's it at? There it is. We got one. And we have the sticker. The monthly Knife Club sticker. We've got a Spartan sticker this time. Very cool, holographic. They always throw them in for free. They said they have a value of about $4. Okay, but they always throw them in for free. So we'll put that up there. So the first actual item in the box, is this guy. This is a Kaiser Merry Christmas morale patch. Cool. We like patches. You guys have seen the patch wall during the live stream. Excellent. I dig that. They say that is a $10.79 value. So, the next item in the box is a Safety Vital LED headlamp, okay? Well, here we go. Safety Vital, what's that say? Battery operated, 3 lighting modes, lightweight, portable. Okay, very cool. We'll get it open. So, ooh, okay. So yes, it is a headlamp. Now, I've had different different brands of headlights like this, and not necessarily my favorite style of headlamp, just because your battery pack is in the back, your lamp is in the front, and then you have this cord that runs around, and this cord can get hung up on stuff, especially if you're working in close quarters. But it is battery operated. What is this? Well, we've got some sort of jack there. Okay. We got a key ring, in case you want to put it on your keys, apparently. It says it's battery operated. There we go. Okay, it's just got a silicone backing. There's your batteries. Looks like, there it says 18650, so it'll run on 2 18650s. And where is your actuator button? Is that it? Okay, your actuator button is on the back of the lamp. Yeah, I'm not so sure about this one. All right, well, the silicone back one on there, pretty good. Let me see something real quick. I'm just going to try and put this on. Yeah, the button being behind the light is not overly... I mean, yes, can I access it? Yes, I can. But it's not the most user-friendly in the world. So, I mean, I guess it's back there so you don't bump it, turn it off, turn it on, turn it too bright. So, okay. So that will be our first item in the box, is the headlamp from Vital Safety. They say that has a value of $25. Okay. Next is the Rothco Stainless Multi-Tool. Rothco, okay, there we go. Ooh, that's got some weight to it. Rothco Stainless Multi-Tool. Combat tested since 1953. That's good to know. But what do we got on this thing? Looks like we have a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, bottle and can opener, straight blade, long nose pliers, scissors, okay, metal file, wire cutter, and includes carry pouch. Well, that's always handy to have a carry pouch. Now, this Rothco multi-tool does come in a nylon pouch. Got the belt loop there. They say this has a value of $39.99. Ooh, it's all blacked out, so it's tactical. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see here. Opens up, snaps open. Got spring-loaded pliers. Looks like you got some wire cutters going on there. Let's see. It appears that our tools are on the outside. So we will close that back up. And let's check out some of the tools. There we go. They're nail nick grab. So there is your flat tip. There is your Phillips. What else do we have in there? There's the blade. There's a serrated blade. That one does not have a nail nick opening on it. You gotta kind of reach down in there and grab it. Oh, not a fan of that on a sharp blade, but yeah, there you go. Okay, you got your saw blade. You have, there's a nail again. There's your can opener, bottle opener. Yeah, this is not necessarily the easiest thing in the world. Really? Does this have an ejection? I definitely don't want to push the... Okay, there's some sort of locking or unlocking device right here. Yeah, okay, I can already tell you I'm not a really big fan of this. I mean, there you go. Oh, I got something. I got something different. There's the scissors. Okay, these are always one thing that I really like to play with on these multi-tools. Let's see these scissors. Yeah, okay. I mean, not bad. They cut. Spring-loaded. Okay. Oh, there it comes. Oh, there's a file, flat tip. Just kind of got to work everything out of there, I guess. Not the most operator friendly in the world. So yeah. All right. Okay. Yeah, we got a multi-tool. Okay. Sure. Rothco stainless steel multi-tool. And we're looking at a value of $39.99. Oh, yes. The last item in this box is something that makes me very happy because it is one of my favorites. Look at this. The QSP Parrot, and it's even a red one. I really, really like the Parrot. I mean, it is a super, super budget-friendly knife in here. Yep, this is the version 2. Got a nice little drop point blade, D2 blade steel, value of $31.95. Always and forever, the Parrot. You know, if you really just want a nice, simple budget knife, dude, the Parrot absolutely 100% falls into that category. Absolutely love the Parrot. Lanyard, whole reversible clip. I mean, come on. Thumb stud knife. Fantastic, fantastic budget blade for sure. So, okay. So that is our advanced. That one is $65, as I said. So they're saying an overall value of $107.73. Okay. Probably out of that box, the thing I'm least, well, I don't know. Not my favorite style headlamp. Not my favorite. The multi-tool is, I'd have to play with it a little bit. But anyway, yeah, I'm sure that we could all find uses for it. So now we're going to go to the premium plan. The premium plan is the next level of the box. It's $115 plus tax and licensing and all that, whatever. You guys know what I mean. And you get everything that's on the table in front of you, and you get, where's it at? This guy right here. This is, got something from Bear Ops. We've seen some Bear Ops stuff in these before. It's the Mini Rancor 4. And it has a value of $59.95. Another blacked out tactical that, woo! Look at that. Tanto, sort of a drop Tanto there, or I believe that's American Tanto, is it not? their version of the Axis style lock, which is, it's a little stiff, but it's not too bad. Probably just needs to be worked in a little bit. Definitely look like we got some, I don't think that's G10. I think that's more like FRN. Feels a little plasticky on this one. So, I mean, not a bad little knife. It'll do what you need it to do. The grip, ooh, I can already, ooh, no. Not a fan of that pocket clip with the size of the knife. Yeah, ooh, No, this one would not get a very good review for me. That pocket clip is all sorts of wrong for me. Yeah, the pocket clip would definitely have to go on this one. Is it reversible? No. We do have a lanyard hole, though. This looks like we got this geared back spacer. Yeah, that pocket clip. Bear Ops USA, okay. Yeah, that pocket clip's gotta go. Got to go. Yeah. So, all right. So the Bear Ops Mini Rancor 4 in this one. That is your premium plan. You just get the one knife in that. Like I said, 115 plus shipping and handling, 167 total value. So now we go to the Ultimate, which is the largest size of the box. And I can already see the name on this box. And it is actually from a good friend of ours. Yeah. Adrian from Damn Designs. Very cool. This is the Oni XL. Very nice. You do get a cleaning cloth with it. Damn Design cleaning cloth. Very nice. Oh, well, let's use the old Bear Ops to slice open this package. And this Damn Design Oni XL, you're looking at, well, it says it's the Oni or the Jin. This is, holy guns. Ooh. Ooh, sorry about that, guys. We do have a big old rooster comb. Yeah, I would not use the front flipper on this. The first time I tried to flip it, it was very, well, I guess maybe that was just first flip. Because now it's coming in. Now, I believe this is the Jin. It says Oni or Jin. And I'm pretty sure this one is the Jin. Full titanium S35 VN blade, $160 value on this. Now this one, like I said, we've got that rooster comb style front flipper. Not a huge fan of that. It does flip. It does flip. That first one was a pain. Reverse flicks like a demon though. Well, it's a Damn Design knife, so the demon theme fits. Action otherwise is really, well, now that I'm flipping it with the front flipper, it is pretty easy to front flip. It was just that first one, apparently, really, really sticky. I do like the finish on the titanium. That does look good. Got a little pop of sort of mint green-ish. I don't know. What color do you call that? It is a frame lock. Action is pretty darn nice. Oh, love the reverse flick on it. Feeling in hand is pretty good. I do like the ramp on the back. Catches my thumb terrifically. I got a magnificent grip on this knife. Pocket clip. I can feel it a little bit. Does not make me as unhappy as the Bear Ops one does. Like I said, I can feel it a bit, but it's not too bad. Not too bad. But the front flipper does protrude up a little bit. And, oh, there we go. I do kind of have to, maybe it's my hand size, but I do have to find the right spot to front flip. There we go. If I get too far, no, there it was. I don't know, every once in a while I don't hit the spot. Now I'm going to try it right here in the front, and it rolls over really nicely. It does. Now if I go back here, okay, that's where I have the issue. Got to roll it from the front, obviously. That gives you a better leverage point, and it rolls over very nicely. So, all right. So there you go. That is your ultimate box for Monthly Knife Club. Now, I will have to, I'm going to be completely honest with this. The value is there without a doubt. I have no doubt that the value is there. I used to go back and look through, and I'd put it in the comments. Yeah, I'm not doing that anymore because the value is always there. Like I said, I paid 175-ish for this, and I know the Damn Designs is pretty close to that on its own. Overall, I'd have to say this is maybe the first box that I'm really not overly thrilled with. I love the Parrot. I absolutely love the Parrot. I love the patch. Sticker's cool. The patch is cool. The other stuff in here, I mean, the Damn Design knife is nice. I'm just not crazy about the front flipper. Like I said, I would not use the front flipper on it. It would be a reverse flick for me because, well, I can actually reverse flick it. You could thumb flick it very nicely. And, you know, I've done it a few times, and it's kind of starting to annoy my thumb. But if you do it in the right spot, it's okay. So, yeah, not overly thrilled about the Rothco tool, and not overly thrilled about the Baron Sun or the headlamp, to be perfectly honest with you. But I don't do this because I love or hate the items in the box. I love the surprise. For one, I do. I love the surprise of what they send out. And I'm going to be completely honest and tell you that this is probably not my favorite box that I have received so far. And it might be on down towards the... I mean, how many of these have I done? I've been doing them for at least a year, right about a year, maybe more. Time flies, guys. It's hard to remember. But the value overall is definitely there. They can't all be winners. I completely understand that. I'm completely okay with that by getting these boxes, for sure. For sure. Some of the lower level items, and like I always say too, if you're going to do these boxes, and you may not be able to afford it, and I totally get that, the higher level boxes is the way to go, in my opinion. Now, if we just get our lower level box, that's what we would have got. Yeah, probably still would have been a little bit of a disappointment, obviously, but the Parrot, you wouldn't believe how much the Parrot kind of makes up for me. I really, really like the Parrot as a knife. Getting the mid-level plan, that Bear Ops, and then go to the Ultimate. This is a nice knife. I'm going to say, I mean, it's S35 BN. It's full titanium. Adrian from Damn Designs is an awesome, awesome dude. Love the guy. And once you find the correct leverage point, which seems to be right there, it does flip really nicely. But do this. Wow. Yeah. There you go. All right. I have taken up enough of your time today. Greatly appreciate it. Thanks again for this month's box. Monthly Knife Club. Now, this is not sent to me. I do pay for this every single month. So, and I think we're going to continue to do it. Maybe January box will bring us up a little bit. Overall, though, I have been very, very pleased with the overall value in each and every box. I always have to say, if you don't like picking what you get, these boxes are probably not for you. If you want to try something and have a little bit of fun and get a surprise, they do have an individual knife plan for $25 a month, and you can cancel it anytime. So that's kind of a budget way of getting sent a little knife as a surprise. You know, I mean, you pay for it, yeah, but it is kind of a surprise of what you get. But greatly appreciate it, guys. Thank you so very much. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. And as always, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.